Hi, good morning. So today I'm off to a seminar. And today I decided na i-share sa inyo yung everyday makeup na ginagamit ko sa school, sa gym, sa trabaho, and anywhere else. Okay, so first thing first, you must have a clean face bago ka mag-makeup because remember, this makeup must last for the whole day. Usually, I start off with my toner. Na-wash ko na yung face ko since kakaligo ko lang. Ang ginagamit ko is Eskinol. Lagay lang tayo ng konti sa cotton ball and then just make sure na nakuha natin yung mga dumi. Kasi hindi mo naman gustong patungan ng makeup yung face mo na meron pang pores na hindi pa malinis. So, yan. Just make sure na linisin mo yung every corner sa face mo. And then, after the toner, of course, I usually make sure na moisturize pa rin yung face ko. But the only problem with me is that I don't believe in sticky moisturizer. Weather that we have here in the Philippines, hindi talaga nakakatuwa na maglagay ng moisturizer sa mukha na masyadong sticky. I'm lucky enough that I learned about this April Skin Magic Snow Moisturizing Cream. It is whitening, it is brightening, anti-blemish, and deeply moisturizing. And ang pinaka-favorite ko sa kanya is yung consistency niya. Yung consistency niya, very, very light and watery. At the same time, hindi mo na kailangan mag-BB cream or CC cream kasi, nakita niyo yan, nagka-create siya ng dewy effect sa skin natin. Kaya, every time na nagme-makeup ako, usually, ni-skip ko na yung pagka-foundation, yung pag-BB cream, kasi, before, prone ako sa acne, and yun yung one cause kung bakit lalong naging worst yung acne ko. So, nung nag-decide ako na tigilan yung pagka-foundation, nabawasan din yung pimples ko. So, I'm lucky na nahanap ko tong April Skin Magic Snow kasi rin yung itsura ng skin ko without using any foundation. At saka hindi din ganun kaganda na gumamit tayo ng foundation everyday. Kasi, we must let our skin breathe. So, imagine if you have errands everyday, masyadong mapapagod yung skin mo sa paggamit ng foundation. So, hindi yun nakakabuti. So, yan. Sa makikita nyo, talagang nakaka-brighten siya ng skin. And ang maganda dito sa Magic Snow Cream, meron siyang kasamang niacinamide. Niacinamide is known sa pagpapaputi ng ating balat. So, yan, nag-set na yung cream natin. Kung makikita nyo, yung effect niya sa skin is dewy and nakakaputi siya. So, after putting my moisturizer on, the next thing that I do is keep my foundation and use only concealer dun sa mga dark under eyes na gusto kong i-correct or sa mga redness na meron ako sa may bandang ilong. Use is this Naturactor concealer in the shade of 130. I've been using this concealer for years. And sobrang tipid niya kasi yung isang buong tub na to, puno to ng concealer. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, since I'm into light makeup lang, kung everyday na lakad lang naman, is super light niya sa skin. Na minsan parang halos wala kang suot na concealer. But the coverage is super. Get a very, very small amount of the product sa fingers ko and just apply it under my eye. Just blend it. Don't forget the lids. And of course, the other eye. Can you see yung consistency niya tsaka yung coverage niya? Super light lang niya sa skin, promise. Pero, ang ganda ng coverage. Lang natin yung mga eye bags natin. So, yeah. And then, next is our nose. some impurities that we have. wear any foundation, just the Magic Snow Cream na nakakaputi, nakaka-improve at nakaka-enhance ng skin, and matakpan lang yung impurities using my Naturactor concealer. Okay na ako. So, I'm off to fixing my brow. One of my current favorite is this Tint My 4-Tip Brow from Etude House. So, before, I was trying to buy yung K-palette na talaga namang usong-uso dun sa mga celebrities dito sa Pilipinas. Then, as a cheapskate, I tried to look for a better alternative and cheaper alternative. And this Etude House is what I discovered. Tint siya, and then ito yung applicator niya. This applicator will give you a bushy effect. What I like about this Etude House eyebrow liner is because it's a tint. So, actually, I'm not a fan of eyebrow pencils that are made out of wax. Kasi hindi ko gusto yung waxy effect na nabibigay niya. Kasi nagmumukhang sobrang kapal nung eyebrows mo. So, yan. Sobrang dali niyang gamitin. Just create a mini hair-like strokes. And you're good to go. Yan, may kilay na tayo. And the next thing that we have to do is to enhance our nose using just any brown eyeshadow that you have. I usually start with the tip of my nose and then drag it up to my eyebrows. So yeah, as you can see, mas na-enhance yung nose natin. Thing is for our blush. So what I'm using is from Bobbie Poppin in the shade Viva Plum. Preferred using quite dark blush-ons. Kasi in the years of using blush-on, before light yung ginagamit ko, and napapansin ko na parang mas na-enhance yung laki ng pisngi ko. So, by using a darker shade of blush, magagamit na natin siya as blush on at the same time, pang contour na din para ma-enhance yung cheeks natin. So yan, kuha lang ako ng konti. And what I do is apply it from here to here. So as you can see, parang it gives the effect na para kang nakakontour na din. I don't usually put blush on dito sa apples ng cheeks ko kasi nga with the shape of my face, na-enhance niya yung laki ng mukha ko. So yeah, lumiit yung shape ng face natin after putting on the blush on. The thing I do is curl my lashes. Curling your lashes, make sure that everything is inside and walang naiipit sa ilalim na lash. Kasi may tendency na mag-curl din siya in the wrong direction. So, yan. Just gently pumping my lashes. Ang eyelash curler ko, mumurahin lang din siya. Nabili ko rin siya from Bobbie. Actually, I tried using other eyelash curlers that are very much expensive. Yung mga 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos range. And by trying out yung cheaper ones, wala namang difference. Basta you just have to make sure na yung ilalim ng eyelash curler eh, hindi siya matalas para hindi mapuputol yung lashes. I got my lashes curled. And then the next thing that I use is this Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. It costs only 239 pesos sa Watson store. Any Watson store, meron sila. So, ang maganda dito sa mascara na to is 239 pesos lang siya. So, kung kagaya mo ko na everyday na nagsusuot ng mascara at every month or every 3 months bumibili ng mascara, hindi mo na kailangan na gumastos ng sobrang land. Ang ganda ng quality ng mascara. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi ganun kakapal yung lashes ko. Pero, with this mascara, na-enhance niya ng sobrang mata ko. So, yan. Lagay lang tayo ng first coat. And just let it dry. First coat on my left eye. And just let it dry. So, my technique is to put on my first coat and then pag medyo nagsettle na siya ng konti, is nilalagyan ko ulit ng second coat. Diba? Parang hindi mo kailangan mag-effort na maglagay ng mascara kasi ang ganda ng formula niya. Speaking of formula, kung formula lang ang pag-uusapan, ayoko sa mascara na ang formula is super waterproof. Kasi, unang-una, napakahirap niyang tanggalin at the end of the day. May time talaga na natanggal na yung iba kong lashes para mabura lang yung waterproof mascara na nilagay ko. And may time din na almost 3 days siyang tumagal sa ibang strands sa lashes ko. What I like about this Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara is, pag naghilamos ka, every amount of product na nilagay mo doon sa lashes mo is matatanggal siya ng buong buo. Pero hindi siya kagaya ng ibang cheap na mascara na meron tayo sa Pilipinas na kapag sinuot mo and nainitan ka, napawisan ka, nagsismudge and nangingitim yung dito sa under eye mo. Hindi siya ganon. So, waterproof siya, pero kapag hinilamusan mo at gusto na siyang burahin, sobrang dali niyang para ma-enhance pa natin yung mata natin, what I usually do is put on mascara on my under lashes. So, yan. Can you see the difference? Mas na-enhance yung right eye natin kaysa left eye. So, lagyan natin yung left eye. So, there. I'm done putting on my mascara. And that concludes how I do my makeup for my everyday life. So, these are the cheap products that I usually use because I believe in sustainable makeup na hindi harmful sa balat mo, hindi harmful sa mata mo, and most especially, maganda yung formula. And of course, kailangan cheap din siya kasi kung everyday mo siyang gagamitin, eventually, kailangan mong bumili kapag ka naubos. So, I don't usually buy expensive makeup for everyday wear kasi nga mahal. And I believe na hindi mo naman kailangan ng sobrang mahal na makeup para makakuha ng magandang effect and benefits. You just have to look for any alternative, research a lot about this makeup para you don't have to spend a fortune and get the best benefit out of it. Hurry now, so see you later.